the dark without the light.
Alrighty. I guess we are here. Let's start.
So we're looking for the farm. I think we're here.
Hey, this is not it.
No, this isn't it.
This is not it.
And they got some real dogs.
This ain't it.
No.
Sorry, guys.
Make sure you... look, they dogs work. They ain't like our dog.
I know.
No, they well taken care of. Look, his ass, you can pet his ass.
Move. Don't bite the car. They might.
Our ass ain't invited, but nah, they train. They get company. Look, they out here shut up. Shut up.
Yeah, I see it. We lost.
Oh, stop.
We lost.
Hi, we're looking for Franny.
We're looking for Franny's farm.
Oh yeah, I think that's down there on the left, Bob.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, I don't really know this area too well, but yeah.
Thanks, man.
He said, Bub.
But yeah, I think they're doing like some sort of
HempX.
barn roof.
Yeah, that's.
Yeah,
They're doing like a barn roof down there.
Yeah, that's
they're
what
good
we're.
boys, don't worry about it.
They
I could
guard
tell.
dogs right there.
Yeah, well, I could tell they're good
I'm pretty
boys.
sure it's down there on the left. I'm not exactly sure though.
Okay.
On the left.
Yeah.
Wait,
So yeah,
this way.
Just go down there and peep it. I'm
Yeah.
pretty sure though it's down there on the left.
Okay.
Yeah.
Down.
Thanks,
Yeah,
Wait,
no
go.
worries. Let's
This
see.
left?
Come
Watch
on,
out, big guy.
This left?
Yeah.
Because he keep pointing that way. Okay. Because that's right.
So, hold on.
She said make a U-turn.
It did say make a U-turn. So you got a U-turn? Oh, it's probably one of those roads you can't get to from the right.
Oh, that may be it. That's crazy though.
I thought I had to keep going.
That's weird. Oh, you can't cut across or something? That's odd.
Now it says go here.
So pretty.
It's supposed to be 1 mile away.
Okay, I'll be looking at the phone. I'll read it to you. I hear in these hills. Philly boy. I be telling him how to drive in the country, y'all. A couple of times he been caught surprised by her. Haven't you, babe? They say go that.
Oh yeah, and drive and be in the middle of the road.
Yeah.
In a quarter of a mile, turn left.
In a quarter. Why you got this accent?
I got the British on there.
Why?
Because I want British. I want a British shirt. I love it. You know that. Oh.
Okay, that's one perspective. Hair looks cute, babe.
Yeah, it looks like.
Thank you.
Turn left.
It's my little thin side over here.
There it is.
Oh,
Head
I
east.
saw this.
Turn left.
I didn't.
I didn't look at the sign because she was just going. Cute. Okay. Oops. I saw that.
In
What is-
1,000 feet. Your destination will be on the left.
I'm already like, okay, we gotta get one of them signs.
Keep going.
Yeah, we did wait.
Keep going. Wait for the conference?
We left for the shoot. Okay, keep. No, that's it. Right there.
Keep going up or
Maybe keep
under
going.
management premises. I don't
Oh, this don't look like something for us.
Wait a minute.
Wait, what's over there? I
don't
see a
know.
little tent, teepee, something down there.
Hey, I don't know where we're going.
We showing up in the Cadillac. You know we got to tighten our shit up. We need to be pulling up in here in the truck.
Oh, here we go.
Nice.
She back in the cut.
Yeah, this is nice. This should be a cool little
Franny's Farm Road. Look at that. That's all right. You know you back in the cut. Your road was named after you.
It's possible. This is sweet.
So that's where her crop was at.
Yeah. Oh, we're gonna get some good shots out here today. Echo Cabin.
Your destination is on the left.
Love it. This is sweet.
Farm Heritage Trail.
Look at that love. I want a picture over there.
Look at that plants right there.
Yeah.
Flower.
See, I love seeing this. This is so inspirational.
Yeah.
That's all I see.
The hemp, the barn.
Exactly.
The barn.
That's where we're taking pictures.
Yeah.
That shit's gonna be hot. That shit's gonna be hot.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Malcolm.
Hey, Malcolm, I'm Blake Butler.
I know Blake. We met you. I met you at the Mother Earth News last year.
Yeah.
I had the overalls on.
Oh, yeah. Well, thanks.
We're here for a photo shoot.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Franny, Johnny Rex and Franny, go ahead, and Malcolm, pull right next to that green car right there. They're inside. We've got still some hemp hanging.
Okay.
Okay,
So,
awesome. Awesome.
I don't want to. Do I?
Yeah, that's,
Okay.
just pull right in there.
Okay. I don't want to block it in.
You need to get out.
Look how pretty the.
All right, I apologize. He's going to move it for you.
That's cool.
So are you guys going to stay around and come back for the stuff?
Oh, we're
Yeah,
here.
we're here.
We got tickets.
We here.
So I've been setting up everything. Franny and I've had like 3 seconds to talk to each other.
I know.
No.
I was out there teaching the guys when I was at the advantage.
Yeah, but this is proof that it's good to have a team. You can't do it all yourself.
All right.
And that's what we're going to. Hold on, some of my curls ain't separated. All right. Okay. She
All right,
ready.
that's dope.
She ready.
She ready?
She is. Come on. What are you doing now?
Getting my stuff together.
Yeah. Is that for everyone, huh? Hi.
Welcome to Franny's Farm. Being here, and thank you for being here in our barn. You see all the string up here. Even this morning, it was all the way down, and this whole barn was filled with hemp that we bought and shucked this morning, and that's the third time we filled up this barn. And then we have a chicken barn, we have a pole barn, we have a basement, and we even took it to Franny's barn to see if they are in ACY, and they've been hanging out and harvesting 14 hours a day for the past 2 weeks. And it is the most amazing plant. It's an amazing plant.
On the network with each other. Some of you are growers, some of you want to be growers, maybe you're processors, you know, you're looking to get into the game. And I've been in it about 5 years, and now, besides HempX Asheville, I'm also the executive director of the North Carolina Industrial Hemp Association, and we have 1,100 members across North Carolina right now. 1,100, we have 403 people growing hemp in our state right now. So,
to build a product that supports the community in which I live in. And this to me is a dead-end product.
Right.
Because again, what different if I can just buy this shirt and bring it in here. So what we're in the process of doing is bringing in, just got some other samples. They also, call it slivers, so S-L-I-V-E-R. It's just what they call in the cotton industry.
Explaining we are going to educate, we are going to give scholarships, we are going to promote R&D. We're going to make everyone in this room's life better through hemp.
All right, y'all. It's the next day. Back in my cap, chilling, and we are at one of our favorite little spots to eat here, Sunny Point Cafe. They have this stuffed French toast that we love, but they're always packed, as you can see, so we're gonna be here for a minute.
I'm just taking a picture of your booty.
You taking a picture of my butt? Did you really just take a picture?
Lord have mercy.
Let me show that.
Lord.
Yeah.
And the church say amen. And the church say amen.
Y'all, he back there taking pictures of my butt. This is in the Family Dollar. Asheville, North Carolina. And we just decided to take a little inventory of the cultural hair section, and we admit this is not where green heifer products will probably be sold, and we're going to explain why. Are they really?
Yeah.
Where would you find fossilized hemp leaves?
Well, they are now fossilized.
Oh, gotcha now. Gotcha now. Okay. Contemporary fossilization.
There you go.
Cool.
You know, and scalable, because long line fiber that's been rather than processed is $25 a pound. You know, and that makes sense, but then again, it only makes sense for me because I'll do 3 acres and I'll sit in the barn in the winter and drink whiskey and do the work, you know.
Can't have one without